Now, let's take the time to explore the display on the machine. The Platinum Q165 has a color touch display on its front handlebars. Let's take a moment to explore. Located on the main screen, you will see three icons on the very top. The first is the Home main screen icon. The second is the Settings tool icon. And the last is the Information icon. Here, manual mode has been selected, which is stitches per minute. Underneath, you can increase or decrease the stitches per minute with the plus or minus. And underneath that, we have two settings that can be customized to set the speed of your preference. Now we're going to select Regulated Mode. Regulated mode is the stitches per inch. Underneath, you will find that you can increase or decrease the stitches per inch by pressing the plus or the minus sign. Under precision mode, the needle stops moving when the machine stops moving. This is very good for ruler work. In cruise mode, when you stop moving your machine, the needle continues to move at a slow idle speed until you're ready to stitch again. This is very good for micro quilting or corners. Here you have the option to increase or decrease your cruise speed. This red light is an indicator of when you have pushed the Start/Stop button. When it's green, it means you are actively quilting and stitching along. When you stop, it will turn red. This is the needle stop button. Touch the button to alternate between having the needle stop in the up or down position when you stop stitching. Your choice displays in blue. This button does not move the needle, but rather indicates your preference for the final needle position when quilting is stopped. This button turns the light ring located right above your needle on and off. If you want to turn on and off your light LED strip, all you need to do is unplug it or plug it in on the USB located on the left-hand side. Now we're going to move on to machine tools or settings. This button opens an on-screen calculator, just a normal calculator in case you need to calculate how big a quilt is or a block is or any calculations needed. This opens the alarm screen if you're going too fast or if you're wanting a timer giving yourself a certain allotted time to quilt. These are the language options. The Platinum Q165 comes with 4 different language options. This opens the diagnostic screen, typically used as tech support when a retailer is helping with any issues. This opens the timer screen. When selected, you will have a stitch timer of how long you've been stitching and how many stitches you have been stitching per project. These can be reset when you start a new project. This button opens the update screen where updates are made using a USB that is placed on the right-hand USB port located on the display. Let's select the Information icon, which will take us to the information screen. Here we can see the lifetime stitch count for the machine. This indicates the machine's software version number, and this indicates the screen's software version number. Now let's go back to the main screen. Pushing the Home icon, it will take you to the main screen no matter which icon screen you are currently in.